In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and play as Sukuna in Cursed Arena. For this video, I'm gonna be using a private server. However, you can also play with Sukuna on a standard public one. All that you have to do to access Sukuna is to go into the list of characters, and if you look there, one of the characters, usually the second one from the top, is going to be the King of Curses. This is going to be Sukuna in Cursed Arena. So all that you have to do is look for the King of Curses. Immediately upon selecting him, you will spawn in and you will have access to his 4 moves. So you will have Divergent Fist, Fury Kicks, Black Flash, and then Drop Kick. Some of these have variants, so you will be able to hold your first, second, and fourth ability, Divergent Fist, Fury Kicks, and Drop Kick, to access different variants, and Black Flash also has a variant. However, for that one, instead of holding, you just need to click on your screen at the exact time to perform a perfect Black Flash. I already have videos showing this off in this channel, so I won't go into too much detail on this one. I'm just going to be using these abilities on these dummies for a while, just so you can see what they look like. And as long as you choose the King of Curses from the list of characters, you will be able to play as Sukuna in Cursed Arena. It's a very fun character to play, and of course, he also has his awakened form. You will be able to access it when you fill out this entire bar, and inside you will have different abilities during your awakening form. I'm not sure if I can give myself full awakening. Probably it's locked behind some sort of game pass, so sadly I won't showcase everything. However, all that you have to do is keep hitting others, and eventually you will be able to go into the awakened form. He's a very fun character to play, very popular, and you will be able to access him for free. You don't need any sort of game pass, just choose the King of Curses when you join Cursed Arena. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.